Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Ceramics page. Today we're working with some 3M ceramic film. We are tinting this 2023 Kia Forte. We're doing all the way around and the windshield. We're going to start off by shrinking the rear glass. Now it's time to install. We'll back roll, start from the center and push out to the edges. We're going to move on to the windshield next. You'll see us start shrinking here and we will back roll and it's time to go. Squeegee this bad boy out and this windshield will be protected with ceramic windshield tint. Now you won't feel that heat coming in on those hot summer days. We're almost there and now it's a whole new look. Get rid of that fishbowl look by installing some 3M ceramic film. Thanks for checking in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button below.